If you want to learn how to add music in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly import your soundtrack, place it on the timeline, and trim it to fit your video perfectly. This is a simple editing skill, but it can make a huge difference in the quality and feel of your final project. If this tutorial helps you, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut launches, you can either create a brand new project or open one that you've already started. If you already have your video clip ready, go ahead and import it into the project. After importing, drag your video down to the timeline so you can begin editing. This gives you a proper workspace where you can line up your video and audio together. Now that your video is in place, the next step is to add your music. Look for the import option inside CapCut and click it. Then browse your computer and select the music file you want to use. This can be background music, an intro track, or any audio file that fits the style of your video. Once the file is imported, it will appear in the media panel. From there, click and drag the music file down to the audio track in the timeline. This is the key step that places the music underneath your video so it plays during playback and in the final export. After the audio is added, you may need to adjust it so it fits your video better. If the track is too long, or if you only want to use part of it, simply drag the ends of the audio clip to trim it. You can shorten the beginning, remove extra silence, or cut the music down so it matches the exact length of your content. This is especially useful if you want the music to start at a specific moment or end cleanly with your video. Take a second to play the timeline and make sure the audio feels right. If needed, you can move the clip left or right until it matches the pacing of your video. Once everything sounds good, you're all set. Adding music in CapCut is really that easy once you know where to click and how to place the audio on the timeline. Now you can give your videos a more polished, professional, and engaging feel in just a few steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.